Hey everyone, welcome to Pakistan. Or as we say here, Pakistan mein khush amdeed. Now I know what you're thinking. Pakistan, isn't it a little wild? Okay, maybe a little. But you know what else is wild? A Beyonce concert, or like 2 espressos in a row, or, my dating life. But do we let that stop us? No way. We love the excitement, the thrill, the chance to experience something truly amazing. And believe me, Pakistan has all of that and more. So get ready because we're about to go on an awesome trip to the 10 places you absolutely have to see on your first visit to this amazing country. First stop, we're going north to the Hunza Valley. This place is so unbelievably beautiful you'll think you've walked into the movie Avatar. We're talking huge mountains covered in snow, lakes with water so clear you can see right through it, and valleys full of green that seem to go on forever. You have to check out Adabad Lake, a stunning turquoise lake that was formed by a landslide. Then there's Baltit Fort, an incredible 700-year-old fort sitting right on a cliff. And don't even get me started on the Pasu Cones, these iconic pointy mountain peaks that look like they belong in a fantasy book. So pack your hiking shoes, your camera, and get ready for an adventure. Hunza Valley is calling, and you don't want to miss this. From the peaceful mountains we're going to the exciting city of Lahore, the cultural heart of Pakistan. This city has it all: history, art, culture, and so much delicious food. We'll start at the Badshahi Mosque, one of the most beautiful mosques in the world. Then we'll head over to the Lahore Fort, a huge complex with palaces, gardens, and more mosques. But you haven't really been to Lahore until you've experienced the crazy energy of Anarkali Bazaar. Get ready to bargain, my friends. And speaking of delicious, you have to try some of Lahore's famous street food. From savory nahari to sweet jalebis, your taste buds will be thanking you. Next we're going to Skardu, a place so epic they call it the Land of Giants. This is where you'll find some of the tallest mountains in the world, including the mighty K2, the second tallest peak on Earth. But before we try to climb K2, let's start with a visit to Shangri-La Resort, which has amazing views of the valley. Then we'll go to Satpara Lake, another incredibly beautiful lake with crystal clear water. And if you're feeling brave, we can take a jeep ride to Deosai National Park, home to snow leopards, brown bears, and stunning meadows. Just remember, what happens in Deosai stays in Deosai. Unless you get, eaten by a snow leopard, then it's everyone's problem. After all that adventure, we're going to Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan. Now I know what you're thinking. A capital city sounds kind of boring, right? But Islamabad is different. First we'll visit the Faisal Mosque, one of the largest mosques in the world. Then we'll head to Dominico, a viewpoint in the Margalla Hills with amazing views. It's the perfect place to watch the sunset, enjoy some chai tea, and think about life. And if you're feeling active, we can go for a hike in the Margalla Hills, or just relax by Rawal Lake. Just try not to think about the fact that Islamabad is built on top of a fault line. Yikes. Get ready to put on your hiking boots and bring your adventurous spirit as we travel to the Swat Valley, a place so gorgeous, people call it the Switzerland of the East. We'll start at Malam Jaba, a popular ski resort in the winter and a hiker's paradise in the summer. Then we'll head to Mingora, the biggest city in Swat, where you can experience the local culture and explore the busy bazaars. And you can't go to Swat without visiting the Swat Museum, where you can learn about the valley's rich history and culture. Whether you're driving through the valley, hiking in the mountains, or just chilling by the Swat River, you'll be surrounded by stunning views. Hold on tight everyone, because we're about to experience the whirlwind that is Karachi, the bustling city on the Arabian Sea. We'll start at Clifton Beach, the most popular beach in Karachi, where you can soak up the sun or enjoy some delicious street food. Then we'll pay our respects at the Quaid-e-Azam's Mausoleum, a beautiful white marble monument dedicated to the founder of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. We'll explore the Mohata Palace, a stunning mansion built in the 1920s that's now a museum showcasing Pakistani art and culture. And no trip to Karachi is complete without experiencing the city's legendary nightlife. From traditional Qawwali music to modern nightclubs, Karachi has something for everyone. Just be prepared for the crowds, the traffic, and the occasional power outage. But hey, that's all part of the Karachi experience, right? Get ready for a truly amazing experience as we journey to Fairy Meadows and come face to face with Nanga Parbat, the 9th highest mountain in the world. First, We'll trek to Fairy Meadows, a breathtakingly beautiful plateau nestled at the base of Nanga Parbat. It's like something out of a fairy tale, with lush green meadows, dense forests, and the mighty Nanga Parbat towering over it all. We'll set up camp, breathe in the fresh mountain air, and soak in the incredible views. At night the stars put on a show like you've never seen before. It's the perfect place to disconnect from the world and reconnect with nature. Just remember, this is Nanga Parbat we're talking about. So pack your warmest clothes and your sense of adventure. Get ready to travel back in time as we explore the ruins of Mohenjo-Daro, one of the largest settlements of the ancient Indus Valley civilization. Imagine a civilization that thrived over 4,500 years ago, with advanced urban planning and sophisticated drainage systems. You'll wander through the excavated streets, marvel at the well-preserved architecture, and try to imagine what life was like for the people who once called this place home. It's like stepping into a time capsule, a reminder that civilizations rise and fall, but the human desire to create, explore, and innovate is timeless. Hold on tight because we're heading to Shandur Pass, the highest polo ground in the world, at a dizzying altitude of 12,200 feet. Every summer, the Shandur Polo Festival takes place, a 3-day extravaganza that attracts thousands of spectators from all over Pakistan and beyond. It's a celebration of culture, tradition, and of course, the sport of kings. You'll witness the thrill of the game as skilled horsemen battle it out on the field, their ponies galloping across the grass. When you're not watching the polo, explore the surrounding mountains and take in the breathtaking views. Just remember to take it easy at that altitude. You don't want to end up needing an oxygen tank before the game even starts. And for our final destination, we're heading to Gwadar, a city on the edge of transformation. This is Pakistan's newest port city, strategically located on the Arabian Sea, and it's set to become a major player in the global trade game. We'll start at Gwadar Port, a deep-sea port that's already attracting investment from all over the world. Then we'll head to Hammerhead, a unique natural rock formation that juts out into the sea, offering stunning views of the coastline. And no trip to Gwadar is complete without catching the sunset at Sunset Point, where you can watch the sun dip below the horizon. So there you have it, folks. 10 incredible destinations that offer a glimpse into the beauty, diversity, and resilience of Pakistan. So there you have it, the 10 must-visit places in Pakistan that'll make you wonder why you haven't booked your tickets already. From majestic mountains to bustling cities, ancient ruins to pristine beaches, Pakistan truly has something for everyone. Now I know what you're thinking. Trevor, this all sounds amazing, but is it safe? And that, my friends, is a conversation for another time. Just kidding. Look, every country has its challenges, but don't let fear stop you from experiencing the beauty and wonder that Pakistan has to offer. Be smart, be respectful, and be prepared to have your mind blown. And hey, if you do decide to go, hit me up. I'll give you my chai guy's number. He makes a mean cup of chai.